Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to send money from Cashapp to Dave account. So first of all, you need to go to your Dave app, and here just click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your mobile screen. And once you click on that, it will show you your account information. And once you click on that, there you will be having a list of your routing number, your bank account number and other details. And you just have to copy your routing number and your bank account number and switch to your Cashapp. And here just click on the banking icon at the bottom left corner to add routing number and bank account number that you have copied from your Dave app, or you can click on the profile icon at the top right corner of your mobile screen and manually add your Dave account to your Cashapp account. So you have to link your Dave account to your Cashapp to successfully send money between both the apps. Click on the profile icon and here click on link banks and then click on link debit card, and then click on no cards and select the Dave app from the long list, or if you can't find it, just manually search for it and press on it. It will redirect you to the page where you have to mention your bank details. And once you enter all your details and click on link, your Dave account will be successfully linked to your Cashapp account. And and then you will be able to send money from your Cashapp to Dave account. And this is how simple it is. So if you find this video to be helpful, make sure to like it, and I'll see you the next time.